I'm amazingly scared.
Yeah, here we go.
There's 3 trucks coming. Yeah. Okay, I guess we're turning.
I thought that was a fish and it scared me.
That's fun.
Ooh, ooh.
Okay, girls.
Here we go.
Mommy. What do you think?
Look forward so you can see the front of what we're doing.
You're crazy. You're absolutely crazy.
That's the craziest thing I've ever done.
You are crazy.
Sure, you can be on a net. You want a net?
I don't want to get
You
in the
net.
water.
You- We got a fish on.
Woo, woo. There was a fish, and I almost died. Are we letting it go?
Yeah, we're gonna let this go so these are protected. This is called a bull trout or a dolly varden, which are tough to tell, but we're gonna get some good pictures of them.